here he is. Hey Reggae, how are you doing?
Hey Eldegard, I'm good, but I can't wait to see these cars. Aren't you excited?
I'm absolutely thrilled to present the Audi Q4 e-tron models to the world.
Hello and a big welcome to the celebration of progress.
Yeah, living progress is a huge idea. And progress should be celebrated.
We see the Q4 e-tron as the next logical step towards sustainable mobility
The Q4 e-tron offers top performance
and has a lot of innovative digital features.
Audi's head of design, Mark Lichte.
These proportions are simply perfect SUV proportions.
The one and only Olivia Wilde.
Electric technology that's going to change the world.
Anna Gasser, you are an Olympic champion. Long jump world champion, Malaika Mihambo.
The range of the Q4 e-trons is up to 520 kilometers.
That sounds great.
It is packed with digital features.
Hey Audi.
Future is an attitude.